Here we have our 2004 911 Carrera 4S. So we're going to do a new engine with an X51 package. There's going to be a lot of challenges we face with this car, especially with the body aspect of it. This car is going to look like a totally different car when it's done. The car's gone through tremendous change over the last few weeks. The biggest change being our old and new wide body slant nose body kit that we installed, which is inspired by the Porsche 935. It takes a lot of its racing style and it looks awesome. What you're looking at is our body kit finished in Arctic Silver Metallic, done by our Porsche certified body shop with our custom 3-piece wheels. I'm sitting on Bilstein coilovers, B16 coilovers. We have bigger brakes, bigger tires. Over the last few weeks, we've been really trying to dial this kit in and get it to fit perfectly, get all the gaps straight, drill into the body, refabricate all of our radiators and brackets. It's a lot of changes and a lot of differences, but for the better, so it's looking good.